Protosomes by Gabriela Gomez. The organism I chose to observe were snails. The common name for snails is snails, and the scientific name for snails is gastropoda. The natural environment or the natural habitat of snails are wetlands and riverbanks and upper leaflands of forests. Basically, a nice humid environment is where snails tend to flourish. Now, the predator-prey relationship of a snail is honestly pretty simple. Snails' prey is decaying waste from plants and other mammals and animals. They are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and detrivorous because, again, they eat decaying waste from other organisms. And their predator, what eats snails, are smaller mammals like mice. Now, snails are important to the ecosystem overall because they are a food source for those animals, those small mammals, like I said before, which are mice and others. Now, how a snail is able to consume its food, how it's able to eat its food, is that a snail has a small jaw, and it has within its jaw flexible, tiny microscopic teeth, thousands of them in fact, called radula. Their radula scrapes up the food particles, and the jaw cuts these pieces of food, like a leaf, into small pieces for the snail to be able to consume. Now, a point of evolution for the snail is their asymmetrical spinal coiling of the shell. This shell has allowed snails to balance as well as breathe through gills and fit into small spaces such as crevices. Now, where the snail lands on the tree of life is indicated right here in this picture, and my sources are shown here in this slide.